Hello, welcome back to part 2 of my makeup declutter video. I filmed this just over 2 weeks ago, so I've taken any gently used but non-expired items to a local women's shelter. As for giving new makeup away through this channel, I definitely have plans for that in the near future. When the channel hits 1,000 subscribers, there will definitely be a giveaway. Might take some time to get there, but we're just going to take it 1 week at a time. So when we do get 1K subs, I hope to see all of you guys participate then. I really look forward to it. Final part I wanted to go through is the top of the vanity. A lot of the makeup here, I'm sure you guys have noticed, are new items, so I won't be decluttering most of it. I just need to find a space to put them in so they're just not sitting out here literally gathering dust before I get to it the next time around. So why don't we start from the right? More boxes. I'm just going to put them here. More boxes. Actual eyeshadow palettes. Whoa, for a change. These are all eyeshadow palettes, all keeping it. I'll remember to come back. Oh, this is another empty box. Oh, from Jouer, their essential concealer. This I will declutter. Eyeshadow, 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 eyeshadow. These Coastal Scents palette, I covered them in my palette tag video. I am ready to declutter them. I do not use them anymore. I've had them for many, many years now. Thank you. Good times were had. Good times were had. Beautylish. Beautylish stepped up their sample game. You would get these deluxe samples with every order. This I can declutter, but in it came with an actual dry shampoo. I appreciate it. This came with Retrouve. I think it was just instructions, ingredients on how to use their elixir, that cleanser. This is good to declutter. Oh, and of course, I actually save up some of my clothing tags occasionally if I find them to be, you know, different and really cute. What for, I don't know. Let's declutter this. Stick. I've got some Pat McGrath lip glosses, keeping these. This also came with that set I was telling you guys earlier, where if you bought a certain amount, you can pay just a little bit more to get a set. And it actually is this palette I've also shown on my palette tag video. The shadows are just not very pigmented, not easy to blend. I'm decluttering this along with this lipstick. And I've got a whole thing of Bite. We're going to save this for the video that I will be making. Eventually this will be decluttered. But yeah, look at that. Look, I've got so... just bite, 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 bite. Ah, another sample here. This Makeup Forever, this is customizable. For any eyeshadows that are actually magnetic, I can find uses for this, so we're keeping this guy. This one is my favorite Bite kind of holiday release that they had, which was, I think they called it a Vault Collection. Yes, they called it Amuse Bush Lipstick Vault Collection. It had every single color they released under the Amuse Bush line. Wonderful. It was so fun to mix and match these different lipsticks to get a custom color. Another makeup bag. This is a discontinued Tarte concealer in medium. The color shade is perfect. The coverage is full coverage. The only issue I had with this product is that it never truly settles or dries, so it does move around. Even if you use a good amount of setting powder. This is discontinued. I will declutter it. Oh, and I do have a number of Tarte blushes. And I think we can do a blush video with these different Tarte blushes. I think I have 5 of them. Something like that. This is a keep. Again, with these little samplers, handy for traveling. I'll keep this. Eyeshadow palette, keep. This is the Paradise palette from Mayron. They are a company that does theater makeup, special effects makeup, and I really enjoyed them when I first got this. I would use these basically as paints. You'd wet them and apply them. They're great bases to have. But it's been some time and I'm ready to declutter this. Laura Mercier pencil. I've had this for some time. Okay, I'm ready to declutter this as well. You saw these two on my palette tag. I've had these for a long time. And I've often used this palette. Managed to hit pan on 2 products, but made a dent in the other. And then this one here. Good times, ready for declutter. Here, which I do not frequently use, this is the Christian Louboutin. These two are the nail polish, and this is the lipstick, which I really should use at some point, you know? It's this classic Louboutin red. Yes, but they look beautiful on the vanity, and my sweet friend gifted me these for Christmas and birthday, so I love having these on my vanity. The top of the vanity looks much better. Now I just have to put everything I'm keeping into the drawers, organize them, and then we're good to go. So thanks for coming along on my first decluttered video. We have some other drawers we haven't looked into, but I'm sure we'll find a time for that. I hope you guys are having a good one. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. The footage for part 2 definitely turned out a lot shakier than I expected. Next time when we do a declutter video, I'm definitely going to film it in a different way so it prevents a lot of shakiness. And also I realized I should have included footage on me putting everything back into the drawer and having it looked all organized. I know I enjoy seeing that on other people's videos. Note taken for next time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.